This week, the euro against US dollar has risen in value, and we can see the week has started with this bullish candle where the price has reached 1.03981, forming a bullish breakout, and then the next day forming a bullish pin bar, indicating further rise in value. And then we can see on a Friday the price formed another bullish breakout to the upper side, 1.04725, a resistance level that has been broken. These bullish breakouts, and also yesterday I have shared with the traders information about bullish breakout and also potential target that the price could reach this area around this supply zone, 1.0531. Inside the premium analysis, they have been also informed about these movements when the breakout happened, so they are informed on time. If you would like to receive this information during the week, each day when the price forms some kind of a bullish or bearish breakout, it will be shared inside the premium analysis. So feel free to check that. Now we can see that the weekly time frame has closed with a strong bullish candle, and we can see that the week has started with a small gap between the open and between the close and open price, and we can see this gap has been closed. And we can see that the price formed two bullish breakouts above very important resistance levels on the weekly time frame, suggesting there is a bullish movement currently forming on the chart. The monthly time frame currently shows us that we are forming a bullish candle, but we have one more week until this month closes, so we'll see how the week will close and also how the month will close. But as it looks right now, very important resistance level is in front of the price for the monthly time frame, so there is high probability, and I'm expecting that the price will try to reach this area, which is just a minute, it will be 1.05321, very important resistance level the next week. So we can see that on the daily time frame we have here a bullish breakout where 1.05947 is very important resistance level, which will be target as next week after the price has formed this bullish breakout. Now we can see on the monthly time frame 1.05737, it is 1.0594. much closely. So if the price manages to go above this area of resistance, this will be a bullish breakout on the monthly time frame. We can see that here. It will be very important, a resistance level that needs to be broken. So I will put also this one like this. It will be a very important resistance level for the monthly time frame. Just a minute, I need to put this one like this. It is a weekly and also it is a monthly, and we can see it will be very important, and this is the target for this month. So I'm expecting that the price will try to reach this area for the next week. So if you would like to receive notification when the price forms some kind of a bullish or bearish breakout on the 4-hour time frame and the daily time frame during the week, where I'm not making the analysis every day, you can also join the premium analysis where I share all these details. That's all for today. See you next time and happy trading. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and a happy trading.